Minimax IO is a native cross-model AI platform capable of handling text, voice, and video simultaneously with a 1 million token context window. It allows for the integration of large data sets and multimedia projects, which enables efficient generation of AI assets and coding agents. If you come to this model section, you will see they have different models for different purposes. For LLM, these are the models: Minimax M3, M2.7, M2.5 for video, Minimax Hilo 2.3 for speech and music. They have speech 2.8 and Minimax Music 3.0. You can also know about their products. So here they have this Minimax code. For video, they have audio and talkie. If I scroll down, they have this flagship model, Minimax M3. It has a context of 1 million. It is multi-model. It is made for language, video, or speech and music as well. If I open this here, you can see that it is made for coding and agentic tasks, 1 million of context, the first open weight model with 3 frontier capabilities. And if you look at this benchmark, let me zoom in so you can see. And if you see here, it is on the benchmark competing with the other top models like Opus 4.7 and then GPT 5.5. M3 is 59.0, whereas Opus is 4.7. It is quite close to Opus 4.7 and also this GPT 5.5, and it is much better than Gemini 3.1 Pro. On the terminal bench, you can see its rank is 66.0%, which is close to Opus 4.7. Even if you look at the other benchmark and especially this BrowseCom, it is much higher than Opus 4.7, which is 79.3, while Minimax M3 is 83.5. Let's also look at the other capabilities of this Minimax. So I'll go back to this home page here. They have these different products. One is Minimax Code. You can use this as your coding assistant. Minimax for video, audio, and talkie. They also provide API. So if I click on this API section, they have this pay-as-you-go plan, which is flexible and simple. And these are the models. This is for the language model. They have two options here. One is standard and the other one is priority. The difference is that in priority, they offer faster response time and improved reliability during peak hours, especially when there are a lot of people making requests. They are also providing 50% off permanently on this Minimax M3, which is their flagship model. It has a context of 512K, and Minimax M3, this has a context of 1 million. The input cost for the first model is $0.45. And for this second one, Minimax M3 of having context 1 million, the input cost is $0.9. For output tokens, it is $1.8. And for this 1 million context, it is 3.6. Cash, if you have this, if you are reading a lot and if you use cash, then it is very cheaper for you, just $0.09, and here $0.18. This is the API pricing for Minimax M2.7 and M2.7 high-speed model family. This is low compared to the flagship model, which is Minimax M3, 0.13 million per tokens for input. This is multi-model. And for the high speed, it is 0.6 million per tokens, and for the output $1.2 million per tokens, and for the high speed it is $2.4 million per tokens. You also get this multi-model generation for video. They have these different 3 models, and these are the features. You can do the text, image to video, and the pricing is 0.28 per, you can say, video, and this is for 0.568. So you can choose which model you want to use. Or for this voice, they have this different pricing plan, and also for the music, you can see these are the different plans that you can try. So here they will give you free trial for this music 3.0 free model, and also here also you will get a free trial. So you can come and try this model. You get a 50% discount permanent. Then token plan, here if I click here, so you can also download this Minimax code. It is just like the ChatGPT codex. You can download the desktop version, or you can simply go to this web version where you can type your query and get the answer. So you can just do the sign in here, and you can ask questions. You will get the response. Let's get back to the website. To get the API, you can click here. You have to sign up. Once you sign up, you can click on this API and you will get your API. They have different plans here. If you take a yearly plan, you will get a 2 months of free trial. And these are different plans for yearly. So for the plus, it is $200 per year billed annually. For max, it is $500, and for ultra it is $1,200. You can also look at this monthly plan here. So they have plus $20, max $50, and ultra is $120. And you can read more about the features that they are providing in different plans here. Let's get back to the website and let's explore the other sections. So we have seen this API token plan. Let's look at the company. So go to the about section. It is a global AI foundation model company. It was founded in 2020 and they are committed to advancing the frontiers of AI towards AGI via their mission of intelligence with everyone. Their proprietary multimodal is led by Minimax M3, and this is for video, speech, and then music. They have advanced coding capability and high agentic performance, so you can use it for your agentic tasks. It is going to perform very well because it has a 1 million context windows, so you can imagine how fast it will be. Now, if I go to this research section, so these are the research they have done, and you can read about these different articles. They have this is the proof scaling mathematical proof with generative, and then you have this Minimax agent team. So these are the different research type they have published. You can come and read here. And let's go back to the website here. So this is their frontier model, Minimax M3. This is for the video generation. You can use it. This is for speech. These are the latest research that they have done and they have published it. So you can come and you can see it. It's a world-leading general AI technology company. It is in 200 plus countries. It has served 300 million plus users. It has 1 million plus clients and developers who are using this model, and it is present in more than 100 countries. It's a very good model that you can definitely come and try. You have to come to this website. You can log in, and they also have a account on Twitter. So I have opened it here. So if you want to see their Twitter account, you can come to this x.com, or I should say X or Twitter, whatever you understand. So you can come on this website. You can see their X account. They have this links also provided on their website, on their homepage, so you can come and explore. So that's about this a very powerful model providing company, Minimax. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.